Are you wondering how to log into Google Analytics? In today's video, we're going to show you how so you can see your analytics data and make changes to your tracking settings. Welcome to Monster Insights, a better way to see your Google Analytics data, allowing you to focus on creating content that will help you grow your website and build your business. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we post the next video showing you how to use the #1 Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to log into Google Analytics. Okay, to get started, you'll need to navigate to the Google Analytics website. Then on the next screen, enter the email address that's associated with your Google account, and then click the Next button to continue. Now you'll need to enter your password and then click the Next button to continue. And that's it. Now you're logged in and you should see your dashboard. Now you can find almost any type of analytics data you'll need in your Google Analytics dashboard. However, it isn't very beginner friendly and there's a very good chance that you'll get lost at some point and you'll fail to see the important stats that are useful for your business growth. While Google Analytics is the best tool to use to collect marketing data on your website, it's sometimes difficult to install and set up tracking on your site, and it can be confusing when you try to find the reports that you're looking for with your Google account. If you're wanting an easier way to get the data you need directly on your WordPress dashboard without having to navigate to your Google account, then MonsterInsights is the plugin you need. MonsterInsights is the most user-friendly and most popular Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. Using this plugin, you can easily connect your WordPress site with your Google Analytics account and view your important analytics data right in your WordPress dashboard. MonsterInsights has a Google Analytics dashboard widget feature that lets you view your important website stats right in your WordPress admin page. And that's not all. You can view a lot more on the MonsterInsights report page by going to your admin sidebar on the left side of your screen and then hovering your mouse over Insights. And then you'll just need to click on Reports. If you'd like to give MonsterInsights a test drive, there's a free light version available with limited features in the WordPress repository. If you'd like to take advantage of the plugin's powerful features and have access to our great support team and so much more, then of course you'll need to have a Plus license or above. Now, if you don't already have a license, just head over to monsterinsights.com/YTVIP, where we've created a special deal for our YouTube viewers. Then, once you've made your purchase, you can just download and install the plugin on your site and connect it to your Google Analytics account. If you'd like a step-by-step guide on setting everything up correctly, just visit the link on your screen or in the description below. Now, once you've installed the plugin and connected it to your Google Analytics account, after a few hours, Google will begin gathering information about your site's visitors. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful solution to use Google Analytics in WordPress, then MonsterInsights is the best option. Now check out the special offer for our YouTube viewers and join over 2 million professionals using MonsterInsights to grow their business with confidence. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we post the next video. In the meantime, you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter for more free tips, tricks, and tutorials for using MonsterInsights in WordPress.